We took this concern yesterday after His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka went around parading Wiper candidates. Yet, we are all other parties which are affiliated to NASA were felt kind of demeaned. And we are here we actually wanted to know whether NAC party and other parties which are affiliated to NASA are still in NASA, because there are sentiments which were spoken yesterday at Kambati and at Mwingi saying that Wiper is NASA and NASA is Wiper. So as we wanted to get a clarification whether our NAC party and other affiliated parties which are affiliated to which are affiliated to NASA, are we still under NASA or where are we?
Ngilu has honored our part by consolidating all our supporters to support former Deputy President Kalonzo Musyoka towards the cause of becoming the running mate for NASA and subsequently maybe the Deputy President for this country. But what we are seeing right now is a change of heart, because when both of them, Malombe and Ngilu, are supporting to be Deputy President Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, and he comes down to side with one of them, it becomes very complicated for us who belong to NAC party and other affiliate parties to NASA, because we are all campaigning towards one cause of making sure that NASA gets all the votes consolidated in Ukambani.
Sure.
But now this is bringing divisiveness. We are rooting for hard feelings, where we would feel that our principle that we all share is favoring one side that is leaning on his Wiper party. So we clearly advise him that for us to continue putting our pressure and votes for him to gain Ukambani consolidated votes, he should keep off the other seats for citizens to decide.
My name is Dr. Wathenzao. I'm the running mate to Honorable Charity Ngilu for Kitui gubernatorial seat on NACA ticket. I think on this issue, mine is to say our Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, being a national figure and being the deputy president to Raila Amolo Odinga on a NASA ticket. Here in Kitui, we are requesting our leader Kalonzo Musyoka to concentrate on national politics. And as our leader, Honorable Kaluke, has been doing, she has been devoting our time to go to campaign for the NASA presidential campaigns. And that is a good gesture, which we request Kalonzo to reciprocate by not campaigning for any party, for any leader, any party in Kitui County or in another part of Ukambani.
The Wiper party leader said Honorable Charity Ngilu should have dissolved a NACA party as Wafinya Ndeti did and joined Wiper. That is wrong. The correct position is this one. CCU never dissolved. We actually have a legally binding coalition agreement launched with the Registrar of Political Parties. We only donated Honorable Wafinya Ndeti as an individual to join Wiper. All the structures of CCU are intact. We have candidates for all positions except for the presidency. And the CCU party is actually an affiliate party of NASA. And we remain in NASA. We will actually, and we have always, and we are going to support Raila Amolo Odinga for president.
There's a statement that was said yesterday that Wiper is NASA and NASA is Wiper, which we totally disagree with it. That also the members, the other party, inflated and other independent candidates are all supporting NASA. So it is a coalition, it's not a political party, NASA.